Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to another exciting edition of Crypto Market Update. And today we have a truly thrilling topic to discuss. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is showing signs that its price is about to go turbo parabolic, especially with the upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. This transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and the integration of Layer 2 solutions are enhancing scalability and reducing transaction fees. These factors are crucial for the sustained growth of Ethereum and could propel its price to new heights. Buckle up, folks, as we delve into the latest developments, market trends that suggest Ethereum is on the brink of an extraordinary rally. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell button, like, and leave a comment down below. 1. Market Overview. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, is getting ready for a big price jump, according to experts. They're calling it a turbo parabolic surge, and it has the attention of investors. The reason behind this excitement is Ethereum's move to a more efficient system called Ethereum 2.0, which is expected to make the platform faster and more sustainable. Ethereum is also benefiting from the growing popularity of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, built on its blockchain. These trends are boosting demand for Ethereum. Moreover, the overall trends in the cryptocurrency market, especially with Bitcoin stability and more big companies getting involved, are creating a favorable environment for Ethereum. While it's hard to predict exactly what will happen, the combination of technological improvements and increased interest in decentralized applications suggests that Ethereum could be a promising investment. People are watching closely to see if the expected turbo parabolic surge will happen, and Ethereum's performance will likely continue to influence the cryptocurrency world. 2. Community sentiment. Community sentiment plays a crucial role in the crypto market. The Ethereum community is abuzz with excitement as discussions about a potential turbo parabolic surge in Ethereum's price take center stage. This optimistic sentiment stems from various factors that have captured the attention of Ethereum enthusiasts. One key factor is Ethereum's ongoing transition to Ethereum 2.0, a major upgrade aimed at making the platform faster and more sustainable. The community sees this as a positive development, signaling Ethereum's commitment to improving its technology. Another driving force behind the positive vibes is the increasing use of Ethereum in decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens. Community members appreciate the growing demand for Ethereum as it plays a crucial role in powering these innovative applications. The broader cryptocurrency market trends also contribute to the community's positive outlook. Many community members are buoyed by the success and stability of Bitcoin, Ethereum's larger counterpart. The growing interest from big companies and institutions entering the cryptocurrency space adds to the overall positive sentiment. Do you find this video educative? Leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel, and we will be sure to share more videos like this. On to the next reason as to why Ethereum is going turbo parabolic is 3. Risk factors. While the Ethereum community is buzzing with optimism about the potential turbo parabolic surge, it's crucial to acknowledge and understand the associated risk factors that come with investing in the cryptocurrency market. One significant risk is the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum's price, like other digital assets, can experience rapid and unpredictable fluctuations. Investors should be prepared for the possibility of substantial price swings, which can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, regulatory developments, and technological challenges. The ongoing transition to Ethereum 2.0, although seen as a positive step, introduces its own set of risks. Any hiccups or delays in the upgrade process could impact investor confidence and potentially lead to short-term price volatility. The success of Ethereum 2.0 is pivotal to Ethereum's long-term viability, and any setbacks could have implications for its market position. The decentralized nature of the cryptocurrency market brings about concerns regarding security. While blockchain technology is designed to be secure, there have been instances of hacking and vulnerabilities in the past. Investors need to be vigilant and take appropriate measures to secure their assets, such as using reputable wallets and exchanges. Regulatory uncertainties also pose a risk to Ethereum and the broader cryptocurrency market. Shifting regulatory landscapes worldwide can impact the legality and acceptance of cryptocurrencies, potentially affecting their value. Investors should stay informed about regulatory developments and be prepared for changes in the regulatory environment. Additionally, market sentiment is susceptible to external factors, including global economic conditions and geopolitical events. Economic downturns or geopolitical tensions can trigger market-wide sell-offs, impacting Ethereum along with other cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, while the Ethereum community is optimistic about the potential parabolic surge, it's essential for investors to approach the market with a realistic understanding of the associated risks. Being aware of the volatility, potential technical challenges, security considerations, regulatory uncertainties, and external influences can help investors make informed decisions and navigate the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency with caution. As we wrap up today's crypto market update, it's clear that Ethereum is on the verge of a significant move. Whether it's the culmination of technological advancements, positive community sentiment, or other factors, the signs are there. However, remember to approach the market with caution and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions.